Mayflies Swarm is an installation featuring thousands of hand-cut paper mayflies, each carefully attached to the walls as though they have gathered there. Mayflies are known for their incredibly short adult life. Some species only live for a day, an hour, or even just a few minutes. This installation will be housed in a former nuclear bunker, currently undergoing renovation. You can explore how elements of history, conflict, and confinement shape and inform this work. I have cut out the mayflies with the help of volunteers. The process of folding, drawing, and cutting is repetitive, but also deeply mindful and relaxing. This immersive experience invites you to think about time, how you use it, how you feel about it, and how you try to cherish it. Throughout this exhibition, you'll have the chance to share your own thoughts on how to cherish time. Additionally, you can decorate your own larger mayfly, inspired by something you want to cherish. When Mayfly Swarm comes down, it won't just disappear. All the mayflies and paper offcuts will be given to community groups who will transform them into their own work. Just like the mayflies themselves, Mayfly Swarm will exist for a brief moment in time, so don't miss your chance to experience it.